Six taxes targeted in the October 2024 UK budget. Labour's October 2024 budget could target six major areas of taxation aimed at raising revenue and promoting fairness. Number one, capital gain tax. Labour may push to link with the capital gain tax rate with income tax rate, ensuring that income from wealth is taxed at the same level as income from work. This should address concern about inequality in wealth taxation. Number two, inheritance tax. Reforming inheritance tax by lowering threshold for larger estate or increasing rate could be a key measure, focusing on redistributing wealth and reducing generational inequality. Number three, pension tax relief. Labour could revise tax relief on pension contributions, mainly for higher earners, making it less generous for the wealthy and more progressive overall. Number four, saving tax. Targeting income from savings, Labour could increase tax on dividend and interest, potentially raising rates for or altering the personal saving allowance to capture more income from high earners. Number five, council tax reform. Labour could replace council tax with the progressive property tax. The current system is often criticized as regressive, disproportionately affecting lower income households. Number six, alcohol duty. Labour may raise alcohol duties, especially high strength products, not only generate additional revenue but also promote public health, reducing alcohol related harms. We have uploaded more than 1000 videos in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business and tax.